You're welcome to my channel. Yes, my name is Medilock in case you see me for the first time. Yes, and I'm reaching out to you from the northern part of Nigeria. And please, if you are new here, I urge you to please subscribe to our channel. Just hit the subscribe button and join this family so that we can be making sense together. Okay? See, I want to show you a very strong way of creating your own natural protection. Yes. See, life is in different phases. When we give you spiritual advice or spiritual explanation, we try to make you understand. Okay? Try to make you understand what it is or what is happening in the realm of the spirit and how it connects to us in the physical. Okay? So, people attack us through witchcraft. People attack us through charms. People attack us through the will of their heart. Because the Bible says the heart of a man is desperately wicked. Who can know it? So, some people, how they afflict people, it's not because they are into witchcraft or into anything, but the in-depth of their heart is where the something is coming from. And when you look at it and you quantify it on the scale of spirituality, it becomes witchcraft. Yes. So, a female, somebody who performs witchcraft as a female is called a witch, right? And then a man is called a wizard. As it is above, so it is beneath. So it is not only women that are into witchcraft, even men too. Yes, some of you can relate with a situation by your uncles have tied down your destiny. They pursue you every night. When you sleep, they carry cutlass and be chasing you. You see a masquerade who carry cane and be pursuing you, chasing you in the night. Some, the masquerade will be beating you like this in the night. If you are that kind of person, please, and you see this video, leave your comment in the comment section. Because I want people to understand that spirituality is real. Okay? So, I want to show us today and demonstrate to us how we can do this simple thing, but yet it is spiritually very, very potent. Some people, the moment you go and lay foundation in your village, you want to start building a house, everything that you have will go down. Some people, you just buy a car, that will be the first and the last of anything that looks like car in your family, in your house. Even that car, trouble will come, you will sell it. Some people, they just learn that, the son has graduated. They will go and pin down his certificate in the spirit realm. They will withdraw the certificate spiritually and tie it down. Then the person will be going from one country to the other, from one state to the other. They are employing people. Look at factories, look at industry, look at companies. They're employing people who are even less educated than you, who are less intelligent and smarter than you, but yet you will not get a job. Or that particular course that you study, you will not be able to practice that thing. Why? Because the hand of the enemy is pointing at you. That is why we are explaining things for people to understand. If you don't create understanding, you just come and say, you are going to use this one and use this one and then do like this and that is the end. You will not have understanding of why you are using a certain thing. It's not right. Okay? I'll be right back.
Simple solutions to life.
Yes, you're welcome back from that timeout. See, let me show you asthma medication. This is for asthma. 14 days, 21 days of taking this, you will kiss asthma goodbye. The price is highly affordable for everybody. You can place order for your own. Okay? It is very simple to use. All you need to do is just take 1 tablespoon of this, boil it with water, and then drink it with honey. You drink it once in a day. Drink it once in a day for either 14 days or 21 days. And you and asthma forever and ever. Yes. God has provided knowledge and solutions. The problem we have is knowing where the knowledge is. Okay? All right. Now, these two items, this is crab eyes. Okay? We call this one crab eyes. Some people call it tiger eyes. This is crab eyes. And this one is alligator pepper. So, if you are somebody that you feel your life is in danger, you feel there is that woman, that man in your family that hates you, or they smile with you, but when you sleep, you see something opposite. You see masquerade are pursuing you, people are fighting you, somebody will be fighting you, this and that. I know a woman who usually have fight in the night. Whenever she's pregnant, a woman will come and be fighting her. When she sleep like this, she'll be fighting in the dream until morning. When she wake up in the morning, she'll be very tired. After 4 months, she will miscarriage. After 4 months, she will miscarriage. Then the moment the pregnancy goes down, and she miscarried the pregnancy, then she will not have that dream again. But the very month she missed her period, she become pregnant, she goes to the hospital, they certify her pregnant, that she's pregnant. Then she will start having this dream. A woman will come and be beating her. Both of them will be fighting. Fighting. Whether you are the one beating the person or both of you are two fighting, equal strength. It's not easy. You will still feel the impact. And it was like real. She will wake up, even the bruises and whatever will be on her body. Yes, and it is a dream. So things are happening. How do you prevent this type of problem? That is why I have come to show you these simple 2 ingredients that you should use. Okay, use this. How do you open your alligator pepper? We have taught ourselves severally on this channel how to open alligator pepper. If you want to use alligator pepper for spiritual thing, for spirituality, this one is purely spirituality. This is not herbal. Okay, if it is herbal now, I want to use authority herbally, like this rosemary now. I want to give it herbal instruction, to work in a specific way that I want for a specific person, because I have the authority. I can open the alligator pepper right here, right now in front of you, and I will mention the person's name, and I will instruct this herb to work for that particular person in a specific way, and the person will use it and it will work for the person. But if you want to carry out spiritual exercise using alligator pepper, you have to open the alligator pepper from your back. Okay, now I'm touching this thing because I want to see how possible it is for me to open it from the back. Okay, now as it is like this, you will put your 2 hands at the back like this. Then you open it. Now, I've opened it. Now, look at it. I just opened it. It has bunch. So, you will just remove 3 seeds of alligator pepper. 3. 3 seeds of alligator pepper. This is 1, 2, 3. Okay. Somebody was saying that they are not seeing my table. Yes, I don't have that thing that, I don't know what they call it, and that they will put like this so that you'll be seeing my table. I'm waiting for Google to give me money so that I will buy that thing, and then I'll put it like this so that you'll be seeing my table. But meanwhile, please manage me like this. And God has been using what we teach here, and is giving people testimonies. In fact, testimony is even suffocating me right now. So I'm just telling you so that you will know. So now, this one too, you have to take 4 seeds. Okay? Oh, I don't want it to fall down. Okay, let me count it. Now, this one is 3, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. This is, you have 4. Okay, you have 4. Look at it here. You have 4. 4 crab eyes and 4 crab eyes and 3 alligator pepper. Yes, 3 alligator peppers. That is what we have. Sorry, I don't have my stand. I'm trying to stick manage this thing because I must shoot this video. Okay, so now you have this. So how do you use it? You will say, "Oh God in heaven," you pray. Any man, any woman taking my name anywhere or planning to hurt me, either through my dream or through my spirit, using my picture, using my image, or using anything and naming it in my name to hurt me, either through whichever spiritual means, whether witchcraft or charm or whichever way, that any man or woman wants to hurt me, let that thing go to nothingness. Let it go to nothingness. Then you will swallow this very early in the morning. The reason why I'm not going to swallow this one right now is because I have eaten. You have to take it in the morning when you have not eaten anything. When you have not eaten anything, and you're going to take it without water. Yes, you just put it in your mouth. You're not going to chew it. Don't chew it. Let me bring it out so that I can talk well. See, you're not going to chew it. You will swallow it. Gently, gently, you swallow these 7 seeds. It will go straight into your stomach. When you swallow it very early in the morning without breakfast, then later you can eat. It is not going to poison you. But this is a spiritual emergency and very, very highly effective method of protection. Okay? So, you swallow this. If they like, let them go to the mountains and to the valleys. Let them call your name. Let them carry knife and cutlass and look for you in the dream. They will not be able to chase you. They will not be able to find you again. I am telling you this. Try it and see. Okay? See you again in our next video. Please subscribe to my channel, and we'll be making sex together. Bye.